You have to look this way and just talk a little bit.
I don't want to.
Just have a practice one of what you would say. Posture, Aaron, is going to be everything.
But my posh is so bad.
But you need to say like how pumped you are, because
I'm so pumped.
you're
Pumped. I think it's like proper cringy. I don't know how they do it. All this hand motion. That makes me look even more camp than I actually am. I don't know what to say.
Yeah. Watch this arm, because you keep bringing it so up to your face that it's taken over the whole situation.
My arms are just huge, I can't help it.
You're
Pumped. Hey guys, I come back from the gym and this huge basket? This huge box was on my doorstep. I made it into the top 20 of the NYX Face Awards.
Yeah, you did.
This box is from NYX Professional Makeup. I'm super excited to open it. Like super pumped.
You're
Pumped. Should we get into it? This is so scary, but exciting. It's like Christmas. Some elbow grease. Good thing I went to the gym today. It's all pretty. It's got a bow. It's huge. I will keep this, whatever. That's cute. Pink ribbon. Cute. Congratulations, you're in the top 20. We are so excited to have you as part of the NYX Professional Makeup UK and Ireland Face Awards 2018. Thank you so much for your amazing entry video, and a huge congratulations on making it through to the top 20. We can't wait to follow your journey through the competition. The theme for the next round is Animal Kingdom Glam. That sounds so cool. This is insane. Like, thank you so much. Like, I can't get over it. There's like everything in here, anything you could possibly think of. We got lashes, we got lip stuff, we got foundations, we got the full lot. Massive thank you to NYX Professional Makeup for supplying me with all these goodies. So if you'd like to keep up with my Face Awards journey, subscribe below and check out my Instagram, which is Aaron Brown Art. Wish me luck!